Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new on this channel, I'm Julian. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button. It will encourage me, to go a long way for me. Please support me by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to on the notification bell so you get to see my videos anytime I upload. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. I love you. So on this video, I'm going to show you organic recipe on how to make a very effective stretch mark treatment that works like magic. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's get to the workstation. For this stretch mark recipe, this is pure organic recipe, things you can get from your kitchen, as in is something you can get from your reach, and very affordable. So what I'll be using for this recipe is shea butter. You can see here is the shea butter. Okay, then I will be using garlic. So I'll be using garlic. So this garlic, you know, some people are allergic to garlic smell and all that. If you're allergic to garlic, you can dry it before blending. But if you're not allergic to garlic, just blend it fresh like this. Okay, then I'll be using white vitamin C. White vitamin C. Can you see it? I put it right here in my palm so I can easily see it. White vitamin C. Then I'll be needing coconut oil. Coconut oil. So now let's get started. You can see the way I'm smashing it. Okay, so you can smash it. Then this is garlic. So you get the garlic. I'll peel off the garlic. So peel it off. Even if you want to dry it before blending, you still need to peel out the outer layer of the garlic. So we don't need the outer layer of the garlic in this recipe. So you can see the garlic. It has been peeled out, as in the outer layer. I finished peeling it out. And the vitamin C is the normal vitamin C that you get from pharmacy store, ascorbic white vitamin C. We have colored vitamin C, we have white vitamin C, but in this case I'm using white vitamin C. This is a grater that I'm going to use to grate my garlic. So I'm grating it into the shea butter. You can see it. So I've taken another piece. So here is my shea butter in the bowl. I'm grating the garlic into the shea butter. But if you are allergic to fresh garlic, please go for dry one. Dry your garlic. But garlic is compulsory in this recipe. So believe me, try this and you will definitely see results. This is very affordable, very affordable. If you have a better way to blend this, and please, if you want to use blender to blend this garlic, please don't add water. Don't add. This is it. You can see I'm bringing the remnants from the grater. Now I'm mixing So you can see I'm mixing the garlic into the shea butter. So I've mixed the shea butter and the garlic thoroughly. I've mixed them very well. So now, like I told you before, here is my vitamin C. So I put it in a very clean Ziploc bag, new one. I'm going to smash my vitamin C now. You can see I'm smashing with the head of the knife I used to peel the garlic. So like I said, this recipe is something you can do effortlessly because the things you need are within your reach. So here, instead of looking for a pounding mortar or a crushing object, I decided to use what I have within my reach to smash my vitamin C. Okay, so use what you have. The most important thing here is the end result. We can see our vitamin C is well crushed. Now I pour into the garlic and shea butter that I've already mixed in the bowl, then and mix again. Mix so it infused into each other very well. I'm actually making a very small quantity, but I'm using this bowl because it's free for me to do my mixing. Okay, that's that. Then coconut oil. Put coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. Okay, so at the end of this video I will tell you the ratio of the measurements, how you can do your measurements to get it right. This is very, very effective. The work is magical, very magical. So I'm adding into, sorry, I got distracted, my son was calling me. So you add into bowl, into container. All right, so here is our organic stretch mark treatment that does wonder. The ratio that I use in this recipe is, okay, so let shea butter be 30% much than garlic. I can't really come up with a proper measurement because of the shea butter, maybe to call it in gram, and also the garlic to start counting pieces, because so many garlic comes in different pieces, sizes and others. Some breaks, some get break and all that. So I can't really start telling you, okay, 20 pieces of garlic, how many kilo of or gram of shea butter. So the easiest way for you to get this is, let shea butter be 30% much than garlic, then let garlic be 20% much than vitamin C. I don't know if it's clear. And let coconut oil be 30%. 100% shea butter, 70% garlic, 50% vitamin C, and 30% coconut oil. So with this way, you will be able to know. And when you are making, don't make much, just make the one that will last you for like 2 weeks or a month. Then after that is finished, you can make another one. So please, if you find this video very interesting, very useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please click the like button, and also if you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. It will encourage me to do more. And don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section and tell me what next you want me to talk about on this channel relating to skin, sex, relationship, and health remedies. Thank you guys.